Dear children, how are you all today? I hope you all are doing good. Today we will learn use of this and that. Are you ready to learn? Okay, let's start. This is used to point out something which is near to us. That is used to point out something which is far from us. Look, this is a bat. Here, bat is near. Look, that is a box. See, box is far. This and that are used for a person, animal, or a thing. We will not use this and that for many things. This and that is always used for one person, animal, or a thing. Now, look at this picture. Let's try to make some sentences. This is a turtle. This is a girl. This is a toy train. Let's try to make some sentences for the things which are far from us. That is a boy. That is a dog. That is a swing. Let's learn how to use this and that in a sentence. Read with me. This is a boy. That is a girl. This is a bus. That is a chair. This is a car. That is a tree. Let's learn by some examples. This is a frog. That is a cat. This is an apple. That is a ball. This is an egg. That is an elephant. This is a fan. That is a dog. Let's revise. We use this to point out something which is near to us. We use that to point out something which is far from us. I hope you have understood this concept very well. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.